Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Okay, today we will discuss what is 4x4 beat. Earlier videos if you have seen, I have discussed with metronome playing. Now I thought to bring a new video where I will discuss the 4x4 beat first. So if you take a look in this below screen, I have mentioned what is 4x4 beat. There are 4 bars. Now what is bar? 4 bar contains 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 1, 2, 3, 4 will repeat 4 times. Means 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called one single bar. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is first bar, second bar, third bar and fourth bar. Now demo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you understand now what is 4x4 bar. 4x4 bar has 16 beats. Tuck, 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 tuck. The first beat is, you will see the bell sound. It denoting it is fast. Rest, tuck, 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 tuck. So as I mentioned in earlier my videos that you can get in Google, from Google, lot of apps, Google app or maybe Android, you will get a lot of app for metronome. Search for it, press 4x4 or 4 from there and it will sound like that. Acha, what is the BPM you need to choose? You need to choose 100 BPM for a start. Okay, do not go faster, means this is 100 BPM. Now see, it increase the tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. My friend, take this note from the beginning into your mind. Music is about to play very slowly. Do not play in speed. Okay, if you are playing in speed, you cannot learn. Okay, my friend, go slow, very slow, 100 BPM. Now after what playing 100 BPM will give you more confidence of a single note. Suppose you are playing sa re ga, play sa re ga tivrama. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa 1, 2, 3. Re 1, 2, 3. Ga 1, 2, 3. Tribrahma 1, 2, 3. Sa re ga ma. First, what I did, I will say sa on the ting on the first note. Sa 1, re ga tivrama. Now after that, what we will do, we'll stretch. Sa re ga tivrama. Hope this video will help you to understand the basic of metronome, how to play with metronome. On 4x4 beat, I will bring more videos on 4x4 beat. Stay tuned. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye then.